In this third video, I'm going to show you how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number using long multiplication. So the question says, use long multiplication to find the answer to 679 times 42. I always start with an estimate. 679 is roughly 700. 42 is roughly 40. 700 times 40 equals 28,000. How did I get that? Well, 7 times 4 is 28. Times that by 100 and then times it by 10 will give me 28,000. So 28,000 is my estimate to the question 679 times 42. Okay, as with all long multiplications, it's important that I set things out in their place value columns. So I'm going to put all the hundreds in there, the tens in there, and the units in there. 679, like so, and 42, like so. With long multiplication, we always work from right to left. 9 times 2 first of all, followed by 7 times 2, followed by 6 times 2, followed by 9 times 4, 7 times 4, 6 times 4. Okay, that's just to let you know the order that we're going to do things in. Here we go. 9 times 2 is 18. 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 1 that we're carrying is 15. 6 times 2 is 13. Sorry, 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 1 that we're carrying is 13. On the next line, I'm going to start by writing a 0 before I do anything else. And the reason for doing that is because now that we're multiplying by this 4, and this 4 is in the tens column, remember, that's actually worth 40, not 4. So everything that we multiply now is going to be 10 times bigger than it would be if it was just multiplying by 4. And that's a reason for putting a 0, because when a whole number is 10 times bigger, it has a 0 at the end. So let's do 9 times 4, which is 36. 7 times 4 is 28, plus the 3 that we're carrying is 31. 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 3 that we're carrying is 27. Okay, add those up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus nothing is 2. So I have the answer, 28,518. And if I compare that to my estimate, it looks very close. It's not too far out. So I believe that the answer is 28,518. Just to recap what I did there, I started by doing 9 times 2, which is 18, 1, 8. 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 1 that I'm carrying gives me 15. Then 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 1 that I'm carrying is 13. New line, write down a 0. We must get into the habit of doing that so it becomes second nature. We start a second line when we're multiplying by a 2-digit number with a 0. 9 times 4 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28, but if I add the 3 that I'm carrying, I get 31. 31. And then 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 3 that I've been carrying is 27. So I'm happy that I've got these two numbers correct, and now I need to add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So I get the answer, 28,518. Pretty confident that that's right. Okay, that's the end of this video. If you want to find out how to multiply a 3-digit by a 3-digit number, you need to watch video number 4.